Top 15 outbound call center software for tracking and automation. AnyBiz. Outbound call center software revolutionizes customer communication, offering automation, CRM integration, and analytics. It's essential for sales, customer support, debt collection, and political campaigns, enhancing productivity and customer satisfaction across industries. Effectively using outbound call center software requires seamless integration, comprehensive staff training, strategic call scheduling, personalized communication, regular performance review, balanced automation, compliance, and integration with other tools. Ensure scalability, security, reliable support, and seamless integration with existing systems for optimal performance and customer satisfaction. Top 15 outbound call center software tools. 1. Zendesk provides a robust call center solution with features like integrated customer support, automated ticket creation, call recording, IVR, real-time analytics, and omnichannel support. It caters to businesses of all sizes, offering flexibility and scalability to enhance customer service experiences. 2. CloudTalk is a cloud-based call center solution designed for outbound sales and customer service. It features smart dialers, call scripting, real-time customer data integration, call recording, customizable queues, IVR, and voicemail drop. It's known for its user-friendly interface and robust analytics, enhancing communication efficiency and customer engagement. 3. RingCentral offers a comprehensive suite of cloud communication solutions, including voice, video, messaging, and contact center services. It supports omnichannel communication, advanced call management, integrated team messaging, and seamless CRM integration. 4. HubSpot's call center software seamlessly integrates with its CRM platform, enabling direct calling, automated logging, and insightful analytics for sales and service teams. Features like voicemail drop and local calling numbers streamline communication, while automated workflows and reporting optimize sales processes for efficient lead nurturing and personalized interactions. 5. AirCall, cloud-based call center software designed for simplicity and efficiency. Features include easy setup, power dialer for sales efficiency, call queuing, real-time analytics, CRM integration, and call recording for quality assurance. Ideal for businesses seeking user-friendly solutions to enhance customer service and sales operations. 6. Ameo, all-in-one call center software for customer support, telesales, and collections. Features advanced call management, deep integration, and scalability for businesses of all sizes. Designed for exceptional customer experiences and operational efficiency. 7. Ringover, cloud-based business phone system with unlimited calls, smart dialer, video conferencing, real-time analytics, IVR, and CRM integration. Designed for seamless communication and productivity, ideal for boosting sales and support efforts. 8. Zoho Desk, customer service software with call center capabilities, integrating with Zoho CRM and other apps for contextual support. Features telephony integration, automated ticket routing, multi-channel management, AI-powered assistance, and performance analytics. 9. Five9, cloud contact center solution with intelligent routing, predictive dialing, and real-time analytics. Offers omnichannel support, AI-driven automation, CRM integration, and scalable cloud technology. Ideal for businesses aiming to enhance customer service and sales efficiency. 10. Vonage Contact Center seamlessly integrates with CRM systems like Salesforce for personalized customer service. Offers omnichannel support, intelligent call routing, real-time analytics, and customizable IVR. Ideal for businesses enhancing customer interactions and optimizing service operations. 11. TalkDesk, cloud-based contact center solution, empowering businesses with innovative technology and user-friendly interface. Features omnichannel engagement, AI-powered self-service, real-time analytics, workforce engagement management, and seamless CRM integrations. 12. JustCall, cloud-based outbound call center software simplifying calling processes for sales and customer service teams. Features include auto dialer, CRM integration, call recording, local presence dialing, performance analytics, and customizable IVR. 13. NovaCall is a callback and call automation software that focuses on converting website visitors into calls for sales and support teams. With features like automated callbacks, CRM integration, and multi-channel communication, NovaCall streamlines lead capture and improves conversion rates. 14. Ready Mode, cloud-based call center software renowned for predictive dialing and CRM integration, enhancing sales and service team efficiency with real-time analytics. 15. Twilio Flex, customizable cloud contact center platform empowering businesses with omnichannel support, advanced routing, and real-time analytics. Built on Twilio's scalable infrastructure, Flex offers extensive integration capabilities for tailored customer engagement experiences. Choose wisely. The right outbound call center software can transform your business. From Zendesk to Twilio Flex, each has unique features. Consider AnyBiz, an AI-driven B2B lead generation platform. It optimizes itself, ensuring better sales outcomes. Explore AnyBiz for a revolutionized customer experience. If you enjoyed your time here, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons before you go. Stay tuned for more updates.